Hello everyone, in this video, I'm thrilled to present to you our second groundbreaking patented invention in the realm of lighting optics. This series has garnered patented inventions in China, the United States, and Europe. We've incorporating a revolutionary design approach. By matrixing multiple LEDs in a precise pattern, we've created high-power LED modules. Furthermore, leveraging an optical compound eye array, we converge all the LED light rays into a minute focal point within the spatial domain. This innovative optical design achieves a focal point significantly smaller than those produced by conventional methods, accompanied by a substantially higher light density. This hallmark characteristic sets our invention apart. Please take a moment to observe the light path demonstration. We named this product series Matte Series. We've developed a diverse range of Matte Series optical modules. For instance, the one I'm holding is a compact module housing 19 chip matrices, capable of generating a tiny focal point with moderate power and efficient heat dissipation. Moving on, we have a slightly larger module that accommodates 37 chip matrices, also delivering a minute focal point and an intense beam with high light density. Our Matte Series even boasts a colossal module incorporating up to 61 chip matrices. Beyond LED light sources, this design is adaptable to laser chips as well. We've introduced the Matte Laser series, comprising 3 models tailored for 7, 13, and 19 laser chip matrices respectively, given its capability to form an extremely small focal point. When paired with UV light sources, this invention transforms into a parallel UV optical engine with ultra-high light density. This makes it an ideal solution for high-intensity UV applications such as photolithography, mask alignment, and curing processes. Thank you.